everyone, this is Easy Beats with Lana. So I was talking about tax in Nigeria last week, and I want to talk about, I remember I did not talk about the due dates. Federal government has due dates for paying your tax in Nigeria. For a company, your due date is 6 months after the end of a year, as in your calendar year. You pay 6 months. You pay your tax 6 months after the year. Okay, let me make an illustration, a simple illustration. If your company's calendar year ends 31st December, then you are going to pay your tax 30th of June the next year. So that's 6 months. For a new company, it's 18 months after the registration, or 6 months after the first annual year. For a company, that's when you pay your tax. For personal income taxes, 30th of every month. Yes, 30th of every month, that's when you pay that's when your due date is for personal income tax. For VAT and for withholding tax is the 21st of every month you pay your tax. So those are basically the due dates. Now I want to talk about something that is special, that it's getting to a point whereby it's so compulsory for everyone to have it, and that is Taxpayers Identification Number, popularly known as TIN. Your Taxpayers Identification Number is a unique number, more like the way nobody can have the same fingerprints like you. That's the same thing. Nobody can have the same TIN as you, and nobody can have the same BVN as you. So it is important to have your tax identification number. For companies that are registered now, CSE makes it very easy that they just give you the TIN alongside your registration form. So if you're registering a company now, don't need to worry about going to register, apply for TIN. You already have it. For all companies, all you need to do, I will drop the link of Federal Inland Revenue Service, www.federalinlandrevenueservice.gov.ng. I will drop it in my description. Then for those that want to check if they have a TIN, because basically if you have a BVN, there is a way you link it. There is a video, there are 2 videos actually from vloggers like mine that I will drop the link at the description box. I just tell myself most times that I shouldn't do what people have already done. Their process is easy. There is one, she talked about how you can check your TIN on your mobile phone. It's like the easiest way to check your TIN if you have applied for it. And the other one is how to check your TIN through the website on your laptop. So those 2 videos, I'll drop the link at the description box. Please watch them. It's easy, so you can check if you have been registered or not. And if you want to register, it is easy. The forms are there in Federal Inland Revenue website, and you can check it without any problem. Note that when you pay your tax, you are entitled to a tax certificate. Basically it is called TCC. I will drop all the links for you that you can go there and educate yourself properly on what to do to get abreast with tax. Why tax is very important is that no matter how you want to do business with the government, with other companies, with banks, they must ask you for your taxpayers identification number and your tax clearance. So you need to be up to date with this. If you are going to seek for grants in your business, just know that nobody now will grant you anything without seeing either your tax clearance, your TIN, or if you have even made an effort to pay your taxes. Companies are being audited these days and looked into. So tax is very necessary in Nigeria right now. It's like the new BVN. You can't register anything, or you can't do any business with anybody seriously without having your tax paid or your TIN number. Thank you very much.